Hello there. Just want to do a video talking about the specs on this saber. This was machined by me, powder coated and etched by Pete Sandoval. A wonderful job. This has a Nigon's RGB Prism 5.0 Golf 3D chassis. Right here we just have an LED main auxiliary. Pommel is threaded. Fair resonant chamber. So this does have a Golf chassis, but I've machined a slip-on sleeve that is held in place by two O-rings. I just want to do a little something different. A little more realism. Tan speaker. Kill key and charge port. I might paint that a different color. I didn't realize until now how bad that sticks out. To remove this, just give it a little twist and it will come right off. It's got these two O-rings here. I machined it just right to be held with that. See the sleeve. So this has the Goth 1.11 inch chassis. Has my adapter, which has a set screw right here to hold it. And this adapter is a little different. It actually comes all the way up to here. And these four screws right here go through it as well. I did a little playing around with how I wanted to do that, and that's what I ended up with. But here is the main adapter screw. And then this chassis has no glue on it. I machined this to mate up with it also, this silver part here. So it has nuts right here, two nuts on the rods to hold this chassis solid together. I did rub a little bit of E600 on the tip of the nuts to make sure they wouldn't vibrate loose, but that should be easy to clean up should you ever have to get in here. And then I made this speaker holder out of Delrin. It has two screws holding it on as well, so everything can be taken apart on this. It's nice and solid. This is something I'm going to try to be doing on the rest of my builds in the future, or at least something similar to. I want to get away from glue. I do have a little bit of E600 holding the speaker in. There's the Prism board. I kept some of the wires underneath and some on top. I do have a little bit of E600 holding this wire down here so it won't flop and break the speaker wires loose. I used almost all 28 gauge wire on here, except for the positive to the LED is 26, and the two wires from the battery are 26, and going to the board 26 gauge here, but everything else is 28 gauge wire. Everything is properly resisted. Snug on purpose, just twist it around a little bit and we'll stay on there good. Anyways, there you go. Thanks for looking, guys.